Come, baby. Come to daddy. Come. Come to daddy. Come.
Why so good?
Alright guys, so what you know? We buy this today when we buy a hamster. And I see him good, but I also bought dinosaur. So what I'm gonna do is when I go home, I tell the kids them what me buy, and I'm gonna make them like pull it themselves just to get them reaction, guys. Remember, don't forget their reaction, understand? So it's a dinosaur, but it's not a real dinosaur. It's obviously a fake dinosaur. So stay tuned. Look out for it.
Where me buy something wrong?
Why not the other box?
Where me buy that other one? It's a hamster. That is what is in the box.
But why not the next box?
What you afraid of?
What the fuck that the next box?
I want this box guys.
You know me sit next to that box, you know.
Not
What the fuck is that?
Not Ilya!
What?
Ilya, Wally.
Take what that.
Wally!
Eden, come here. Eden, come here. Eden, come here. Come here, Eden. Come here, baby. Shem say not feel nothing. Come here. Come here, come here, Eden. Eden, take all that, baby. Take all
Take out
that.
that in my box, sorry. I like it.
No, for that.
I like it.
Leshan, take all that. Take
Go,
all that.
stomach take yours. Stomach, go take out the hair.
Stomach not take it.
Yes, right.
Leshan, take all
He
that.
can't take out it. Him not understand. Move.
Yeah,
No,
take
he's
it
too
out.
young. He can't
Yeah,
take
take
out
it
it.
out.
Take your stomach. He ate
Yeah,
it.
she cracked me.
He ate it. He ate it.
Don't run. Come here, Eden.
Wally ate it. Yo, sometimes you're so afraid of them, you know. Gotcha. Harry, Wally. Harry, Wally. Wally. Wally, Wally. Wally.
Bad at you. You're a coward, go ahead. You're a coward. Me tell you, say
No fear, keep no fear.
Come, baby, come to daddy, come. Come to daddy, come.
You think I'm like, let's eat.
No, what the fuck? Don't sit me on him. Eden, hold it. Don't fret, hold it. Good boy.
Look
Good.
at that.
Now you can't even be able to touch it. No. Not Aisha. No. Aisha, come here, baby. No, not Aisha. No.
Aisha, come here.
Wait, Aisha, wake up. Good. Stop, don't cry, baby. Bad, my daughter. Get out of mind. Hey, Aiden, you're a coward. Leishan, a coward. You a coward.
Yo, when we see tonight's story, we jump. Garisha jump really happy. I'm afraid of them.
Where am I coward? You're a coward. What is this? You're a coward, no fuck. Hey, Sandy.
Rat!
What's all that is there? Yes.
See right there, Aiden, rat!
Yes.
Watch. The Aisha, see right here.
Aisha, dear. Aisha, run. Aisha, run. The master, come. Care Sandy, come. You're too coward, man. Watch it. Remember the family. Welcome, Sandy. What's son? Put a color on your collar, J. Sandy J. Come here. Aisha. Come to daddy. Come.
You go back to me now?
Liam, friend, like a friend.
What is that?
Daddy me want Wally. Daddy me want Wally.
No, you're gonna make Sheena afraid again.
No.
Hey, this is how you come. Are you sure like, you know?
Ay, my
Are you
bad.
sure like?
Aiden, put it by Aiden, make him yam him.
That's all. Eh.
Start him up, give him, make him bite him. Put it right on him. Put it right on
Touch
him.
your rat. Come touch your rat. Come.
Put it right on him.
Daddy, give it to me.
Them people serious with that. In there, I have a chain. I went there. I went there. See man. See man, that's all right.
No, Jelani, he dead.
That man, I have to put him away.
Jelani, he dead, man. That's not Jelani, man.
You have it.
Mrs. B, Mrs. M, Mrs. A, Mrs. C, Mrs. K, Mrs. Black, Mrs. B, L, A, C, K. When you put it together, you get black. Book, cook, fluke, shook, stoke, oak. Stop no, boss. Cuss, toss, loss, force. Hey, say bike, kike, fly, psych. Guys, wagwan. Today I'll be having cheap promotions, so $10 and $20 for YouTube and business and Instagram promotions. You can send through PayPal or NCB or whatever app you have. So link up right now. We are all in pain. Sometimes it's insane. So open up your eyes and let the Lord inside. He is with you now. He's been there from your young. So give the Lord a chance. Give the Lord a chance. Listen, there is not one relationship on the face of this earth that will not have couple fights, a couple quarrels, a couple vexation, and them something there. But just limit the argument. When you not cuss about bus, cuss about bus. Don't talk about the road, don't talk about the passenger, don't talk about the gas. Talk about the bus. And the argument with dead out. And when you're your man or your woman vex, don't feel like someone if you vex for 3 months, 4 months. If you want to vex today and vex a couple days, and then you talk about that's it. Somehow the two blood clot thin skin, and that's why the relationship not last. It not gonna. So I want people, watch this, right? You ever been walking, any females ever walking, and a bunch of guy, like every walk somebody's like, oh, she's hot, she look good. But then there's this one man that calls to you in front of all of his friends, and because you're not answer, he feels shame. So his next answer, whatever else comes out of his mouth is gonna be, oh, she feel like she hot, bitch, me know something hot. Me know me hot because if me never had you or the other man, them would not call to me. But because me never answer you, you feel like you're not hot, so you are telling me say me not hot. And that is the sad fucking truth. Suck my dick. My girl, want my phone for me and video me right through. Video me. Could I? People.
Just hold it down.
Anything you want to eat, come nice. My nails on the pan for you people. Couldn't eat. Uno couldn't eat. Uno cook cute, ticker. Uno cook pretty. Show them. Show them a good honor. Oh God, me like this. Me